Bohol Island State University human nasungkit ang katulong nga ganti sa National Parol Making Competition sa mga state university sa tibuok nasud nga gi-organisar sa Office of the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Nabuntog nila ang 86 ka mga entries gikan sa lain-laing bahin sa nasud. Makauban ta sila virtually ug dungan tang sayran ang ilang inspirasyon sa paghimo niini dinhi lang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Ug makauban ta karong buntaga si Jerome Manatad, si Mary Grace ug ang iyang mga kaubanan. Good morning kaninyong tanan ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Pakigreet ilabi na ato mga kapuso diha sa Bohol.
Mayong buntag.
Good morning.
Okay, first of all, congratulations. We want to know unsay concept ni inyuhang parol nga nakalangkat mo sa 3rd place.
So, good morning po. So, ang general concept sa among parol is we wanted to showcase the tradition of the Bohol Island State University and the authentic identity of Bohol, and at the same time naagihapon sa spirit sa Christmas. That explains the 6 pointed stars nga among gibutang ato. That represents the 6 campuses of the BISU, and also the color purple nga among incorporate. That's the university color, and at the same time ang color sa ubi kanampay nga famous delicacy sa Bohol, and sa intricate details kay gi-highlight na mo adto ang different famous products sa different municipalities sa Bohol like Kalamay, ubi kanampay, asin tibuok, and the kanang simbang gabi sa famous churches, and tanang elements sa amo ang parol kay naay significant meaning even sa materials nga gigamit. So yes.
Morag daghan kayog details ang inyong parol. Unsa ni kadugay ninyo gihimo ug unsa sab ang mga materyales nga inyong gigamit paghimo niini?
Gaghimo mi sa mong parol for almost 2 months, and among gigamit nga materyales ani kay bamboo for framing o kanang nairapia or saguran, which is usa sa gipasigarbo nga produkto sa Bohol, tubigon Bohol.
Out of the 86 state universities nga misalmot, unsa para ninyo ang nakapa-stand out sa inyong parol nganong nalangkat ninyo ang 3rd place?
I think one of our niche is that we were able to highlight the diverse culture, tradition, and the best practices of Boholano in terms of Christmas. And then also, as mentioned by Mavin, that we were working with local materials that are available in our province. So we're trying to highlight it's a high potential, not just a raffia, but more than a raffia. And then also, I think we were able also to tell a story on how Christmas should be in in a Filipino vibes, in a Boholano vibes. And then in integration as well with digital fabrication through Fabla Bohol, we were able to provide a precise and detailed designs that allows our team to provide high quality, and maingon jud nato nga the product is in terms of quality, aesthetic value naa siya. So I think that's one of the highlight of our product why we were able to get the place po.
Morag complicated, medyo complicated, no? Daghang details ang inyong parol. Unsay mga nakapakuha ninyo sa idea niini? Asa mo nagkuha og konsepto niini?
So as mentioned by Mavin, the idea where we want to highlight the best practices in our culture in terms of how we celebrate Christmas, and then as mentioned, there was a 6 pointed on the stars identifies the 6 campuses of our university, and at the same time we want also to highlight and promote the local materials and the different destination of the province, including the tertiary net, the chocolate hills, the use of the material, and then the celebration in general. So that's the concept. And in terms of color, we want also to highlight the color of ubi kinampay, which is one of our project highlight in terms of tourism in the province of Bohol.
Medyo mahal-mahal siguro ang inyong nagasto niini?
In terms of product development, we spend less than 20,000 for the entire product.
That's it.
Okay. And finally, unsa inyong mensahe nga ipaabot ngadto sa mga tumatanaw?
Since the Parol Mom is named Kahayag, so we want to share like be the light that transcends hope, peace, and joy, like which is the real essence of Christmas Eve.
Okay. First time ba ninyo nga nakasalmot o mga ingon-ani nga kompetisyon?
Yes po, ma'am. So being invited by the Malacanang as representative of our campus or college, it is such a wonderful and unforgettable experience, especially kay nakikinabig kang Mr. President, which is BBM, and the First Lady, and also the celebrities nga invited during the Christmas tree lighting sa Malacanang, especially kang Miss Heart Evangelista and Boy Abunda, kung kinsa ang mga judges sa maong contest, ma'am.
Okay. Kini atong balikan ang inyong reaction when you found out nga nakuha ninyo ang 3rd place. Atong pangutanon si Ma'am Mary Grace.
Good morning, Ms. Luan. So, during the awarding night, wala ko dito. So, it was very overwhelming, no? Kay out of 86, siguro we are really hoping and praying, and during once na gi-announce na nga Bohol Island State University is the 3rd runner-up of the contest. So, malipayon kaayo mi ma'am kay it's unexpected, although we really trust and believe of the skills of the students.
Oh, pangkuang yun nino, pang national yun. Finally, ma'am, ato ang message of hope sa ato ang mga kapuso.
Ang ako lang yun kasulti, ma'am, is you really reap what you sow. Ang kahayag sa parol sama sa kahayag sa mga pangandoy ani nga mga students. Madasigon ang ato mga students sa ilang mga pangandoy nga despite sa ilang mga struggles, ma'am, no, wala jud sila mawad-i sa paglaom. So mo nang nituo jud sila sa panultihon nga you really reap what you sow.
Alright, daghang salamat Ma'am Mary Grace and of course Jerome ug sa tanan ninyong mga kaubanan. Once again, congratulations ug daghang kayong salamat sa time nga inyong gihatag dinhi kanamo.
Thank you, Ma'am Lulu.